Earthworm castings, often referred to as vermicast or black gold, are the nutrient-rich waste produced by earthworms. These castings are highly effective organic fertilizer, packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They also contain beneficial microbes that enhance soil health and promote robust plant growth. Using earthworm castings can improve soil structure, increase moisture retention, and boost the overall vitality of your plants. The practice of vermicomposting dates back to ancient Egypt and China, where it was recognized for its ability to improve soil fertility. In the 19th century, Charles Darwin documented the benefits of earthworm castings, highlighting their role in enriching soil. Today, earthworm castings are widely used in organic farming and sustainable gardening, prized for their nutrient-rich content and ability to enhance soil health and plant growth. Earthworm castings are created through the process of vermicomposting, where earthworms consume organic matter such as vegetable scraps, leaves, and compost. As the earthworms digest this material, they break it down into nutrient-rich castings that are excreted. This process is sustainable and environmentally friendly, enhancing soil health and promoting robust plant growth. The best time to apply earthworm castings is at the start of the planting season. To prepare a garden bed, mix a generous amount of castings into the top few inches of the soil before planting. It is simple but does the trick. My go-to hack for using earthworm castings is making a nutrient-rich tea by soaking castings in water, then using it to water your plants. This provides ongoing nutrient and promotes robust plant growth. That was earthworm castings in 100 seconds. If you liked the video, hit subscribe and I will link my earthworm casting recommendation in the description below.